Hi, I'm Tim Priebe with TNS Web Design in Oklahoma City. Hopefully you watched our previous video on logging into WordPress. Now we're going to look at all of the things you can do when logged into WordPress, like creating a page and blog posts. Let's take a look at how to create a new page on your WordPress website. Here we're starting out on the back end of WordPress already on the dashboard. On the left-hand side, we can simply go to Pages and then Add New. Or if you're on the front end or the back end of the website, this toolbar at the top will appear. You can hover over New and then we'll go down to Page and it will get us to the same place. Let's go ahead and add an About Us page. Here we'll put the title of the page. Then down here is where we actually enter in the content for the page. This is called WordPress's visual editor. We'll look at this in detail in a separate video, but for now we're going to paste some text in for our new About Us page. So to paste text unformatted, we go in here and we can either click on Paste as Plain Text here, or if we copied it out of Word, we need to use the Paste from Word right here. We copied it from another website, so we'll click Paste as Plain Text. Since we're on a Mac, we'll actually hit Command V, but if you're on a Windows computer, you can hit Control V and paste all your About Us text in there. Then we'll click on Insert. Now you can see we actually got some extra lines here in between paragraphs, so we'll go in and backspace until it gets rid of all those lines. And there we go. Now we don't have any lines over there. We'll want to go ahead and look over on the right hand side here and see if our theme has any additional options we need to set. This theme, we can pick some different templates and we can select the order it appears on our Pages menu. We can also select a parent page. We're going to go ahead and leave all these settings at the default for this one, and we'll go up here and click on Preview before we actually publish. Here you can see what our page will look like when we actually do hit preview, but at this point it's not yet live on the site. Looks good to me. Let's go ahead and click Close Tab, then we'll go back here, and since we're ready to publish, we'll go ahead and click on Publish here. We also do have the option to click on Save Draft if we want someone else to take a look before we actually publish this new page. But let's go ahead and click on Publish. Now we can click up here on View Page and it will open up a new tab for us, and here's what our page looks like. If you switch back, there are some other settings here on the top right. Under Status, we can pick Pending Review or Draft. Under Visibility, we can actually make this a private page accessible only to people that are logged into the WordPress site, or we can make it password protected. Let's go ahead and see what password protected looks like. We'll select password protected. We're going to use a really insecure password, which is password. Then we'll click on OK. Then we'll go ahead and click on Update. And we'll switch back to our page here and refresh. You can see here that the page is now password protected. But if we enter in our password right here, it shows us the page. So that would be a good option if you're looking to have one password for all users to view a page. Again, we'll look at the basics of the visual editor down here in a separate video. But for now, that's it on how to add a page. Thanks for watching. Look for our next video on how to add your new page to your WordPress menu. Remember, if you're a TNS client, you can call to schedule your Q&A training session at 405-285-0348.